Hello everyone and welcome to another video. So today I wanted to have a quick discussion on these guys here. As you can see, this is a Torx bit, and furthermore, this is actually a security Torx bit. The problem you can see here is that round peg or post in the center of the hole. The problem is that post makes it so that you can't use a standard normal Torx bit on this screw. So I've got the right size Torx bit here, but it just won't fit inside the hole because that center post is stopping this Torx bit from fully inserting into the head. So let's look at a couple of easy ways we can get around this. The first is actually surprisingly simple. You can try to get yourself a flat-headed screwdriver and maybe get it to fit around the post and fit inside the head. So for example, in this one, let's see if, there, look at that. See, I got it to work. So this is as simple as getting a flathead screwdriver in there and twisting them. Another way to do this is that we can simply try to bust this post off. A lot of the time, these posts in the center are actually pretty brittle and fragile. Let me put the camera on a tripod so we can see, and we'll take some next steps. So this is surprisingly simple. I'm just gonna go ahead and get another flathead screwdriver that's maybe a little bit smaller, that basically fits right inside there. And I'm just gonna try to bend it and see if I can knock off that post. In fact, maybe I'll get a little hammer and give it a little bit of a tap and wiggle this around and try to basically break off that post or knock it out. And sometimes this works, sometimes this doesn't, but again, oh, there we go. Look at that. Look at that. Yep. See, oop, I dropped it. Shoot, I dropped the post. But we were able to successfully break off that post, and now the Torx bit should fit. Hopefully I haven't mangled it too bad, but let's go ahead and try this. So now I put the Torx in. Aha, there we go, right? And there we go. Now the screw is coming out. So as soon as you get that post out of the middle of the Torx bit, this turns into just a normal Torx, and you can remove it. Okay, and then the third way that I've discovered you can use to get this post out is we can just go to drill bit. This drill is a little bit fatter. The diameter is larger than the opening or the spacing between the post and the outside of the head. So all we're gonna do is we're gonna jam this in here and then give this a good shot. Let me see. There we go, and look at that. The head just popped, that post popped clean off. In fact, let me see, there it is, it popped off. See, can you see, whoopsie, let's see if that's gonna zoom in. Come on, see if you can zoom. Yeah, that little piece, that is the post right there. It has popped out of the hole. And again, now that it's out of the hole, it's just a normal standard Torx. And hopefully, again, we haven't mangled it too bad, so you can just go ahead and use your Torx head and take it out. So there you go. There's 3 ways to go about getting around these silly security Torx bits and using just a normal Torx or using a flathead screwdriver. So let's just make it a quick video. Hope that was helpful. Bye.